नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम इंडियन फेस्टिवल से रिलेटेड होम डेकोर्स बनाएंगे। देयर आर 3 DIY होम डेकोर्स इन दिस वीडियो एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर सुपर इजी, सुपर क्यूट एंड सुपर कलरफुल। तो क्योंकि फेस्टिवल्स आ रहे हैं एंड हम लोग घर में ही सेलिब्रेट करेंगे मोस्ट ऑफ दिस फेस्टिवल, तो अच्छे से घर को डेकोरेट करते हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। First we will make this Shubh Labh wall hanging, and for this I am using this cork based poster set. You can also use thick cardboard if you want. Starting by applying a white acrylic paint to give it a light base. After applying the white paint, let it dry completely, and then I am going to apply this metallic red acrylic paint on top of white paint. And once this layer is also dried, we will decorate our wall hanging. So I am using this pretty mirror lace. You can use whatever lace you have or whatever decorations you have at home, and I am using hot glue to stick my lace. Please note that hot glue is a very hot thing. So if you are a child and not an adult, please take assistance of an adult while doing this and be careful. Done with one piece, and I'll repeat the same with another piece. Now I'm using gold 3D glitter liner, and I'll write Shubh Labh using that in the center. And after this, I'm using blue glitter 3D liner to decorate the rest of the part. I'll not decorate too much because the lace itself is the highlight. So yeah, a simple decoration, and then we will let this 3D glitter liners dry completely, and then we will attach the tassels on the back side. If you don't have tassels, you can also make them at home. I've shared one home decor DIY recently on my channel. I'll link that in the description box below, where I have shown how to make tassels. So here I'm attaching the tassels with hot glue and then securing the hot glue with some duct tape. I luckily had some little bit matching shade of duct tape with me, but any tape will do the job. And repeat the same thing on the other piece as well. Now to hang this wall hanging, you can attach a lace like this on top. But what I'm going to do is attach little bit of glue tack on the back side, and it will secure firmly on the wall because the wall hanging is very light in weight, and this is how it looks after hanging on the wall. Next, we will make this pretty tea light candle holder. For this, I am using this wooden pieces जो canvas के साथ extra आते हैं ना, canvas को stretch करने के लिए. I have lots and lots of them, and I'm also going to use this jar lid. With the hot glue, I am going to secure this wooden pieces on the top of jar lid like I'm doing here. And again, you can use a thick cardboard or a cork board if you don't have wooden pieces like this, and cut shapes on them like this or any other shape you like and stick them like this. And this is how it looks after sticking all the wooden pieces. It looks as it is very good, but I just painted because festival में painted शायद ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, colorful होता है इसलिए. But before that, I'm going to put some more hot glue here to secure all the wooden pieces nicely to the lid. And फिर उसके बाद मैं उसके ऊपर एक circle foam sheet का piece चिपकाऊंगी so that this wooden pieces won't scratch any surface जिस पे भी हम इसको decorate करने के लिए रखेंगे. Now it's ready to be painted. So I'm going to use green and pink metallic acrylic paints or pearl acrylic paints, and I'll do that alternately. और मैं साइड्स में भी पेंट करूँगी इन वुडन पीसेस के, लाइक जहाँ पे मैंने ग्रीन पेंट किया आई विल पेंट पिंक ऑन द साइड्स एंड वाइस वर्सा. After painting this, I've cut a glitter silver foam sheet ka piece to put it in the center of the lid like this. And to finish it off, I'm using circular mirror pieces to attach them at the end of the wooden piece like this with some hot glue. Our pretty shiny tea light holder is ready. At last, I'm making this beautiful candle with some scrap candle pieces. I have candle waxes and this waste glass jar. So I'm breaking out the candle wax which is not useful for me anymore, and I'm removing all the unwanted parts and putting all the candle wax pieces into the glass jar. So this is how it looks after all the pieces are in the jar. And now I'm boiling some water in a container, and then I'll keep that glass jar in this container to let the wax melt. After this, I'm going to put this glass jar aside, especially for melting wax in the future projects, and I'm not going to use this in any other thing or putting any edible substance in this. And for making my candle, I'm using this beautiful copper type का bowl. उसमें पहले से एक candle आई थी जो हमने जलाकर ख़त्म कर दी. And now I'm adding this wick because ये center वाला part bowl का removable नहीं है, तो मैं wick थोड़ा सा side में attach करके उसकी tip को center में लाने की कोशिश करूँगी. And now I'm pouring some melted wax in it. थोड़ा slowly pour करना start करना ताकि wick अपनी जगह से हिले नहीं. And then I realized कि wax थोड़ा कम है, तो मैंने और boil किया और add किया. अभी बहुत red लग रहा है, but सूखने के बाद it will turn pink, so it will look good. Cut off the excess wick and now let's decorate it very simply. ऐसे भी बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, but I just wanted to decorate it little bit, so I'm using this lace and I'll just stick 2 pieces of lace like I'm doing here. To make this candle, obviously आप कोई भी type का vintage look type का कोई metal या glass container use कर सकते हैं and उसको अपनी मर्जी से decorate कर सकते हैं. The point is colorful and beautiful लगना चाहिए. And our beautiful candle is ready to light up. So how was it? Did you like this video? Hit that like button if you do, and comment down below your thoughts on it, or if you want to chat with me. I all reply to almost every comment, and I love replying to them. Thank you so much for sending in so much love in each and every video. I really look up to your comments. And yeah, share this video if you found this DIY easy and useful and colorful and whatever. Share this video with your friends and family. It will help me grow the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Bye bye.